Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Quickies. Remember to subscribe for more interesting cooking ideas and recipes. Today we are making pan-fried chicken and cumin rice. So we're going to use 250 grams boneless chicken, soy sauce, we have salt, cayenne pepper and vinegar. So first we're going to marinate the chicken. It's already cut in pieces. We'll sprinkle salt. We have to make sure the salt gets in through all the chicken pieces. And then 1 teaspoon vinegar to add flavor to the chicken. We're going to need 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and a bit of cayenne pepper. After doing all that, you leave the chicken to marinate for about 45 minutes. And now we want to fry it on the pan. First thing we're going to do is grease the pan so it doesn't stick. Heat oil in the pan on high heat for about 3 minutes. We'll dip in our chicken pieces. And we leave to shallow fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is a meal that is very easy to cook and can be done very fast. So right now we want to garnish the chicken as we wet fry it. First thing is to light the gas. Half a tablespoon of oil. Add onions, well chopped, and leave to fry for about 3 minutes till they turn golden brown. Dice in small pieces. As you do that, sprinkle salt into the tomatoes and onions and leave to simmer for 2 minutes. We'll stir and keep stirring so as to get a nice thick puree. And then we'll add a tablespoon of tomato paste. We'll add a pinch of cayenne pepper, red cayenne pepper. We'll add a pinch of it to the tomato puree. Some bit of garlic, preferably half a teaspoon or a full teaspoon, depending on your taste and preference. To add some tangy flavor into the chicken, we're going to add again a teaspoon of white vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon. It does the same purpose. It does the same thing. Once our tomatoes are ready, we're going to add the chicken pieces into the tomato puree and just leave to simmer for about 2 minutes. And here they're well cooked. We just serve them out. This is nice. Clearly. So this is boneless chicken, 250 grams. enough serving for 2 people and can be eaten with chapati, ugali or rice. Today though we're going to make cumin rice, so let's prepare that first. So right now we're going to make cumin rice. Here with me is 400 grams rice. We have onions, 2 onions well chopped, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, salt, cumin seeds and tomato paste. First thing we're going to do is put on the cooker. Then we're going to put our oil, 2 tablespoons. Remember not to use a lot of oil as you cook the rice. Heat the oil for about 2 minutes, then add your onions. And leave to fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Fry the onions on low heat because if you fry them on high heat, they're going to burn and they'll not cook well. Very fast about cooking. So we're frying our onions and they're about to get ready. As they're about to get ready, you can just measure your cumin seeds. So right now the onions are ready. We're going to add 3 teaspoons cumin seeds. They're already ground. And stir well. 2 tablespoons tomato paste into the onions, which are frying. And stir well. Once the onions are well cooked, you're going to add in water which was previously measured and put to boil for about 15 minutes. Once the water has boiled, you're going to add our rice and leave to cook for about 20 minutes.